Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony G. Today, it's springtime outside, so the weather's changing. I'm going to show you 3 outfits that you could wear in different occasions. Spring is just after winter, so everybody has a lot of decisions to make what to wear. So they try to change their wardrobe from winter to summer. But we have spring, so I'm going to show you 3 outfits you can wear in different occasions. I'm going to start right off the bat. I'm going to show you something that I think that if you're a businessman, you are working, or you want to wear casual, there's a beautiful sport jacket here. It's called a mini check. It's beautiful. It's a 90% wool with a little bit of silk, right? Nice and beautiful. Fully unconstructed, actually, with just a little bit of lining here. And with that, I'm going to use a chino. Chino is a cotton pant. So a cotton pant, because again, because it's spring, I don't want to necessarily put a wool pant in there. So I'm going to put a beautiful navy blue cotton pant that picks up with the blue on the jacket and the blue on the buttonholes, right? Very, very nice. And today, for a difference, like I said, we're going to go and use something for business. So I'm going to put a light blue cotton shirt. Beautiful light blue cotton shirt. It's a micro pattern to go with the micro check in the jacket. And then, just to make it look more businessy, if you want, this is an option, I'm going to put a navy blue silk tie. Beautifully done. So if you want to go into a business meeting, you're going to, you're going to meet a banker, this could be nice. And then if you're going out afterwards, you can always remove your tie. Now remember, spring is not summer yet. We still need something like a coat, okay? So I'm gonna put the coat. This is a reversible trench coat. It's a beautiful coat, navy blue on one side. And you need a coat because you can't walk out just with a jacket, right? It might be raining, it might be so. It's reversible. It's brown, little check on the inside, navy blue on the outside. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna get you a pair of shoes. I'm gonna get you a pair of shoes to go with the outfit. The shoes are a beautiful double buckle navy blue shoe. It's got still a little bit of grip in the bottom, and a beautiful double buckle that you can wear. I mean, these shoes, you could probably wear them all year round, maybe not in winter time. That's outfit number 1. So going on, let me just move this to the side. Going on, leave it nice and neat over there. Now we're gonna dress a little more casual. But because I said it's spring, you always need some sort of outerwear. So this is a beautiful jacket in techno fabric. In Italy, they call it a techno field jacket for the fields. I don't know why, because we don't work on the fields, but that's the name of the style of this jacket. It's absolutely beautiful. Look, it's totally unlined. It's got beautiful detail, cinching, a pocket. It's like a feather, but will stop the wind, right? And it'll make you feel like you have a jacket. You can't go out without a jacket. And with that, I'm going to do medium weight denim. So a little different color, not so dark, right? Like we use in the winter time. A medium weight denim like this. Very nice. That breaks up the color. And then we're going to do, so I have these beautiful t-shirts. These t-shirts are gorgeous. They are made of lightweight merino wool, super lightweight merino wool, right? And so it'll still keep you warm, because again, it's spring, right? And then to top it all off, you know how I like to wear vests, right? I will put a vest underneath. So this is a nice layered outfit that you can wear with a vest. And if you go inside and you take off your jacket, now all of a sudden you have an outfit. You have a vest, a t-shirt, right? And a pair of jeans. Very, very beautiful. And to finish it off, I'm gonna give you a runner. This is a techno runner made for AMG for the car. It's got a little bit of Kevlar there, a little bit of different materials, very beautiful. Now this is outfit number 2. And my bag is empty. So where is outfit number 3? Mr. Michael, outfit number 3 is right here on the mannequin. So if you want to come around, we have a beautiful leather jacket. The leather jacket is unlined, very beautiful. We have a long sleeve cotton polo, very nice. The leather jacket's got beautiful shoulder stitching and stitching on the pockets. We have a mid-color denim. So this is a regular denim, but the color is medium. It's not dark and it's not light. And then we have a beautiful pair of brown shoes, you know, like a running shoes, but it's a loafer with a white sole to bring out the spring summer. There you go. These are the 3 outfits that we have. Stay tuned because you know, spring's coming, summer's coming, so we're going to do more video. Thank you very much for watching.